Hey there, what's going on everyone? Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're ready to learn exactly how to use BetRivers promo codes and claim their offers the right way, this step-by-step guide is for you. Today we're walking through the complete process for new users and existing players so you can confidently sign up, enter codes when needed, place qualifying bets, and make the most of your bonus bets without any confusion. Whether this is your first time with BetRivers or you're looking to improve how you claim promotions, we'll cover every detail clearly. Stick around until the end because by the time we're done, you'll know the full process from registration to cashing out winnings from bonus bets. First, let's get a clear picture of how BetRivers promotions work right now. BetRivers stands out with its player-friendly second chance bet welcome offer. Depending on your state, new users can get a bonus bet refund up to $500 if their first qualifying wager loses. In states like Pennsylvania, Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Louisiana, Maryland, and Virginia, it's often up to $500. In New Jersey, it's commonly up to $250, and in places like Arizona, Iowa, New York, Ohio, and West Virginia, it can be up to $100. You usually need a minimum $10 deposit and must place a qualifying first bet. If that bet loses, BetRivers credits you a bonus bet for the amount of your stake, up to the stake maximum, typically within 24 hours. Some affiliate partners provide specific promo codes like SFA Bet, LSR, River Riv, Covers Bonus, USB Triv, or SBR Bonus that help activate or enhance the offer when entered during sign-up. Bonus bets on BetRivers must generally be used in full on eligible markets, and only the winnings, not the original bonus stake, become withdrawable cash. They usually expire in 7 to 30 days, so using them promptly is important. Casino players can also find separate promotions, like up to $500 back on net losses in the first 24 hours, plus bonus spins. The big advantage of mastering this process is that you minimize risk on your first bet while gaining extra playing power. Now let's go through the full step-by-step guide on how to use these promo codes and offers properly. Start by downloading the official BetRivers app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, or visit betrivers.com on your browser. Make sure your physical location is in a state where BetRivers is legal. Open the app or site and tap the Join Now, Sign Up, or Register button. You'll begin the registration process by selecting your state first, then creating a username, entering your email, and setting a strong password. As you fill out the form, you'll reach a section for personal information: full legal name, date of birth, residential address, phone number, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Enter everything accurately because this is required for verification and future withdrawals. During this flow, look carefully for the promo code, affiliate code, bonus code, or referral code field. If you have a current code such as SFA Bet, LSR Rive, Covers Bonus, or one from a trusted source, enter it exactly as shown. Codes are often case sensitive. Even if no code is strictly required in your state, using one through a partner link can ensure the best version of the second chance bet applies to your account. After completing registration, go through any required identity verification. This usually involves uploading a clear photo of your driver's license, passport, or state ID. Verification helps unlock full account features and speeds up withdrawals later. Once verified, head to the cashier or deposit section to fund your account. The minimum deposit for the welcome offer is typically $10. BetRivers supports convenient methods like PayPal, Venmo, debit/credit cards, online bank transfers, Pay Near Me, and more depending on your location. Choose your preferred option, enter the amount, and complete the deposit. Confirm the funds show in your balance. Now it's time for the qualifying first bet, which is the key step that activates the second chance protection. Navigate to the Sportsbook area and browse the available markets across NFL, NBA, MLB, soccer, college sports, and more. For the offer to qualify, most versions require your bet to have odds of -200 or longer. Place a real money wager of at least $10 on a market you like. Important tip: select the second chance token or opt in if prompted in the bet slip, so the system recognizes it as your qualifying bet. Once the event ends and your bet settles, if it wins, you keep the winnings normally. If it loses, BetRivers will credit your account with a bonus bet equal to your stake, up to the maximum for your state, usually within 24 hours. When the bonus bet appears in your account, here's exactly how to use it. Go to your bet slip, make your selection on any eligible market, and then choose the bonus bet token as your stake instead of your cash balance. Remember that bonus bets must typically be wagered in full. You can't split most tokens. If your bonus bet wins, you'll receive only the profit portion as real withdrawable cash. The original bonus amount is removed from the payout. Always check the exact expiration date shown on the token, as it can be 7 to 30 days. Use it before it expires to avoid losing the value. For existing users, using promo codes and claiming ongoing offers is a bit different but still easy. Log into your BetRivers account and tap the Promotions or Rewards tab, usually found in the main menu. Here, you'll see all active deals, including profit boosts, parlay insurance, no sweat bets, deposit matches, and reload bonuses. Many of these require you to opt in by clicking a button before betting. If you receive a promo code via email, text, or notification, look for the Enter Promo Code field in the Promotions section or near the cashier and type it in exactly. After applying the code, follow any additional steps, like making a qualifying deposit or placing a specific bet type. The referral program is another excellent way for existing players to earn more. In your account or promotions area, generate your unique referral link or code and share it with friends. When they sign up and place a qualifying bet using your code, both of you can receive bonus bets. This keeps the rewards flowing steadily. To maximize the value from every promo you claim, start with bets you're comfortable analyzing, instead of chasing long shots right away. Check the Promotions tab daily, especially during big sports seasons, because new offers appear frequently. Enable push notifications and join the email list so you catch personalized deals and flash codes quickly. If you play on the casino side, check that separate promotions section for loss refunds and bonus spins, as they often have their own codes and rules. Responsible gambling is essential, no matter how good the offers look. Only deposit and bet money you can afford to lose without any financial stress. Use the built-in tools in your BetRivers account settings to set deposit limits, loss limits, wager limits, and session time reminders right from the start. BetRivers partners with organizations like 1-800-GAMBLER and offers self-exclusion options if needed. These bonuses are fantastic for added excitement, but the house always has an edge over the long term, so treat betting primarily as entertainment. If you run into issues during the process, here's how to troubleshoot the most common problems. First, confirm your location services are enabled and accurate, because BetRivers uses GPS verification. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Double check that you entered the promo code correctly with no extra spaces and that you opted in where required. If the bonus bet doesn't appear after your first wager loses, wait up to 24 hours, then refresh the app or log out and back in. Contact BetRivers customer support through the in-app live chat or help center. Provide your username, screenshots of your bet and the promo details, and a clear explanation. Support is generally responsive and can often credit missing bonuses when everything qualifies. Advanced tips once you're comfortable include shopping for the best available odds, even when using bonus bets to increase your expected value. Look for opportunities to combine promotions when the terms allow it, such as using a deposit match alongside a profit boost. Progress through BetRivers loyalty or rewards program because higher tiers unlock better ongoing offers and faster payouts. During NFL Sundays, NBA playoffs, or March Madness, expect more frequent sport-specific promotions. For casino users, separate first-day loss refunds and hundreds of bonus spins on slots like Lion Link can add even more value. Here are answers to some of the most frequently asked questions about using BetRivers promo codes. Do I always need a promo code? In many cases, no, especially if you use a verified partner link, but entering one like SFA Bet or Covers Bonus can help secure the full offer in some situations. What happens if my first bet wins? You keep the winnings normally and the second chance refund doesn't trigger. How long do I have to use the bonus bet? Usually 7 to 30 days depending on the specific promotion. Can I withdraw the bonus bet amount directly? No, only the winnings from it. Is the offer the same in every state? No, the maximum second chance amount varies, so always confirm for your location. Avoid common mistakes like using a VPN, which can lock your account or void promotions. Never attempt multiple accounts or share login details, as this violates terms and can lead to permanent bans. Always use your real personal information during sign-up for smooth verification and withdrawals later. Once you've converted bonus winnings into cash, cashing out is straightforward. Go to the cashier, select your method like PayPal or bank transfer, enter the amount, and submit. E-wallets tend to process fastest, often within hours once approved. Sports seasons play a big role in promo availability. Football season brings lots of NFL boosts and insurance offers, basketball has daily player prop deals, baseball offers consistent daily specials, and major events create temporary enhanced second chance or reload promotions. Spreading your activity across different sports helps you take advantage of more rotating offers throughout the year. Keeping a few trusted bookmark links for BetRivers partner sites makes finding fresh codes and deals much faster. While the official promotions page inside the app is the most accurate, good affiliate sites often highlight time-sensitive extras. Stay away from random websites or unverified social media posts promising guaranteed winning codes, as those are frequently scams. Wrapping up this complete step-by-step guide on how to use BetRivers promo codes, the process is straightforward once you follow the right order. Sign up with a good link or code, verify your account, make the minimum deposit, place your qualifying first bet while selecting the second chance option if needed, and then use any bonus bets you receive before they expire. The current second chance bet up to $500 gives new users excellent protection and value, while existing players have plenty of ongoing promotions to enjoy. Start small while learning. Always read the full terms attached to each offer, claim them promptly, and bet responsibly. If this video helped you understand exactly how to use BetRivers promo codes and bonuses, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more detailed betting guides, and drop a comment below telling me which state you're in or any specific questions you still have about BetRivers. I read every comment and do my best to reply. Thanks so much for watching this full 2026 step-by-step tutorial. Bet smart, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck out there.